Hi, teacher and classmate. I am Carlos Moises. I from Pasto, Colombia. According to the activity guide, I would describe the poster of my last vacation. In my last vacation, I could travel to the beach of the country of Ecuador. I go to the Esmeraldas. In the beaches is very good. I can go to the Atacames and Tonsupa and Same. Same is very beautiful place to the vacation. Its climate is ideal for vacation. It's not very humid in the morning. It's a little cold, and the afternoon it's hot strong, and the night is it's cold. The gastronomy is very rich. The dish excuse me. The dish are several are very rich. The tapado of fish in coconut juice is and banana is very delicious. Delicious is I think of this and I can say that, and I feel in this moment. In the night, are the sample autochtono music, autochtono the people that natural of the place in playing marimba and interpreting rhythm of the region. These are the main Atacames is very good place for recommending. See and the consejos o councils for travel to Esmeraldas. Book a good hotel with time. See, it's very important that you book a good hotel with time. Choose a good tourist agency. This is very important. Request certificate guides to advise you where you can go and don't go for safety. Remember, this is other country and respect the rules and for avoid problems. Don't forget the mosquitoes repellent. It's very important. The sunblock, since it's not sunny, the proximity at the equatorial zone, you can cause skin burns. This is very important for things. It's very important and good trip, and you have excellent vacation. This is my recommendation. Thank you very much, teacher and classmate. Thanks.